Hey guys, Tech Ninja with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sticker from a photo on iOS 17. It's a new feature. It's really cool and you're going to really like it. So let's get started. So in order to create a sticker from a photo that you already have, it's going to be really simple. First thing, of course, go ahead and open up your photo album. Find the photo that you want. So the photo has to have an object that you can actually select on. For example, this picture might be a good candidate. Some pictures aren't a good candidate. For example, if I press and hold, if it goes like that, as you saw the outline, that means we can add a sticker. And after that, this should pop up for you where it says add sticker. Now remember, you have to be on iOS 17. If you're not, you have to update to iOS 17, which you can do from setting, which I'll show you. But you'll click on add to sticker and then it will get added here. Now after you add it, you can do is add effects if you like. Here, as you can see here, there's a couple of effects here going on. You have outline, cosmic, fluffy, and then shiny as well. Whatever you can like, you can pretty much play around with it. But that's how you get that sticker on, and hit that done. Now it's been added to your sticker collection. Some photos, for example, might not really work if the picture, like this one, like there's too much object going on, you try to select something, it doesn't pick it up. So if you have a picture that you can't pick it up, you have to probably retake it. But usually it works well with any sort of object with a good clear background, like this one. For example, if I want to add it here, I can press and hold, and then after I let go, that sticker option comes on. Now in order to use the sticker, it's really simple. Let's say you want to use a sticker on maybe a message chat. You open up the message there and then you click on the plus icon here, and then you'll see here for stickers, I can click on the stickers here, so it'll pop up with stickers that are available. As you can see here, there's one available right here. I can select it and then I can just send it and it'll work like that. In order to remove a sticker that you added to your album, all you do is press and hold, right? And then the remove option comes up and poof, and you have no more stickers. So that's how you remove the sticker, and then you can add as many as you want and then add effect and remove it just like that. Again, remember, if you haven't updated your phone, you can update it by going into your settings, general, software update, and it should have iOS 17. If not, check out other video on how to download and install iOS 17 in a couple different ways. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for future tips and tricks that we're going to show you on iOS 17. And thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.